Nagur Sir is playing the cricket. He is practicing cricket. He want to become a cricketer. We went on this Sankranti time. We went to my native place. There is a place is there, Parchuru, like there, cricket ground, coach, everyone is there. So almost 1 week we were there. That 1 week, every day morning at 4 or 5 o'clock, they will go to that nearby city, and then they will do practice. And by 10, by 11, they will come back. So in Hyderabad, what is happening? There also they did the same. One day, what happened is, so there is a person is there under 19 is playing for the state. That person also came for the practice because for the cricketers, everyday practice must be required. He came for that. But this kid age is 10 years only. 10 years only. Observe carefully. He is that day, coach asked that under 19 person, he has to bat. So this kid has to do bowling because he is the bowler. Then he did the bowling. That under 19 person clean bowled. Clean bowled. Okay. His father gave left and right like anything, man. A small kid bowling, that not catch or something, like a clean bowled. What you are like in front of these people, he gave left and right like anything. Next, this person, after completing that, that kid came to the house. Baba, they're always pronouncing me as Baba. Baba, today what happened, under 19 person, under 19, okay. So just for the state he is playing, that person clean bowled, Baba. He's telling how much happiness, how much happily, really, okay, like, wow, wonderful, too good, keep it up, like I told. Next day onwards, that under 19 person, not in a position to come to for that coaching. He didn't come. Just only that day only this person came. Next, this was happening where? Almost in Jan. Now also, this kid, Baba, have you remembered that day? Have you remembered that day? That under 19 person, clean bowled, Baba, have you remembered? every time, almost at least weekly once or 10 days once, this kid is always coming. Baba, have you remembered? Like, good, I remembered. Excellent. Have you observed, right? He's eagerly waiting. Just by remembering that, eagerly waiting for appreciation. Remember, everyone in this world, man, required importance, required respect, required appreciation. Yesterday also, the 4 overs he bowled in a match, 4 runs only he gave, 1 wicket he did, player of the match. He got the cup. Once I went there, Baba, have you saw the cup, like, you bring that cup and he showed to me. Bring that cup and he showed to me. So he's feeling how much happy. Just we kept claps for all the people. Claps like, he's just happy, feeling very happy, man. Everyone in the world. This rule is applicable for 800 plus crores of the people. They want to be important. They want to be respected. Okay. They want to be appreciated. These things must be very. So everyone, it's applicable for 800 plus crores of the people, not 1 or 2%. If you are getting the chance to appreciate someone, don't miss that opportunity. By mistake, if you are missing that opportunity, a great friend, a person who want to cooperate with you, a person who want to work based on, so that wonderful opportunity you may miss. Okay, don't be selfish. Here, win to win will be there. Okay, compulsory. If any small achievement or big achievement, better to what we call appreciate. So means this appreciation is okay, emotional food for every person. Physical food is there, emotional food is there. Without a physical food, the people can stay. Without the emotional food, the people can't stay.